Hi all, welcome to my channel Himanshi's Heavenly Hacks. So today I was sitting and thinking to make some videos wherein it could be some affordable range and how do you make your vanity which is affordable and at the same time it is worth buying, and the products which you include, it stays for the longer time. It is just useful and worth every penny that you spend. So here I have got you a video wherein you'll get to know how to make your makeup vanity which is affordable, and all the makeup products that you are selecting are good and also really long lasting and provides you a great effect. So if you wanted to know what all do you have and how can you make your affordable makeup vanity or makeup kit, then please let's get started. So today whatever I'm going to be talking about, everything is under 500, and I think that could be the best wherein you have products under 500 and these really work well. So I have first because when you start your makeup you need some base, so you definitely need some prep and prime and some lotion, illuminating lotion. So you can choose your moisturizer according to your skin type. There are so many moisturizers available out there before your makeup. So what I'm going to talk about, you should have in your makeup kit setting spray. It's good if you choose prep plus prime like how MAC has. So I have the one, so that goes under high end and expensive, but I have which is really good and also under 500, and somebody can definitely give it a try. This is NY Bae Matte setting spray. So this you can use before makeup, after makeup, between makeup, whatsoever. So you should definitely have one, and you should also have, when you're doing this, you can also illuminate your face. I have Go Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. So I think I have this bigger one, and if you choose for the smaller one, it's better because first you try and then go ahead for the bigger one. So this definitely you should include. So then next you need any base. So for base, for foundation, I have Insight HD Foundation High Coverage Dewy Finish Foundation. This is my absolute favorite. Reason why my favorite is also L'Oreal, Maybelline, PAC, etc. But I chose this one today because if you're looking for medium coverage or you want buildable high coverage, you should surely go for this one. I have my shade LN10, but you can choose whatever shade. This is available on Nykaa, purple.com, I think even on Amazon. So this has really high coverage as well. If you see my previous videos, you would have seen me using this, and this is just loved, and this provides you matte effect. It is at dewy at the same time. It is hydrating. It is actually less talked product, but it is really good. Thumbs up for Insight Cosmetics for making such a lovely foundation, and it's long lasting. It provides you high coverage. You can go with this in the party, wedding occasion, whatsoever. So please give this a shot because you will not regret buying this. Okay, so now you must be thinking, now Himanshi is gonna tell me to invest in contour and then highlight and then concealer and everything. What if you get everything all together in one and it is also really affordable, less than 500? So I have Insight Cosmetics HD Conceal Correct Contour. Believe me guys, I have high-end expensive brand contour kits, like it's in MAC, it's in Smashbox, but still I reach out to this one because this is my absolute favorite. You see there, it is Conceal Correct and Contour HD palette from Insight Cosmetic. I have loved it so much. I've used this so much. I hit the pan actually. So I have this color correcting, then you have concealer shades, then you have the bronzing shade. So you get everything all together. This is available in 3 different, I think, variation, and I have Skin Light. So according to your shade type, you can choose. This is available on Nykaa, and I highly recommend you to buy Insight Cosmetics products because not only these are affordable, pocket friendly, these also they work very well. They work really well, and it is long lasting. I have worn this and gone for an event which is like 8 to 10 hours, and when I came back home my makeup was still the same. So thumbs up for them, and I would recommend you to buy this palette. Having said that, I would also just want to recommend you one concealer. If you don't want to buy this, please close your eyes and just reach to Maybelline Fit Me. This is cult favorite. Everybody has loved this product so much. This is Maybelline Fit Me concealer. My shade is 10 light. You have medium and dark and light, all the shades in this. This is available on Nykaa, Purple, everywhere. So this is so good, you guys. It's been 3 to 4 years I've been using this, and you will not regret buying this because this covers your imperfections so well. All the dark spots, your under eyes, any acne marks whatsoever you have. So I think you should surely buy Maybelline concealers. Maybelline anyways has good foundation, concealers, mascaras, so many things, but you should definitely have this one. If you're looking for any strobe cream, how MAC has MAC strobe cream. So if you don't want to go for this one, then I have a suggestion for you, NY Bay. This is Pro Strobe Cream. This you can apply before makeup or after makeup. Let me just show you. If you aren't sure what is strobe cream, this is like this. It is a illuminating, highlighting effect. So you can apply this like so after your makeup or before makeup, so that you set your face well and it gives you the glow. So this is really affordable. I think this is less than 200 if I'm not. I think this is less than 300. I think this is 249, and in such a price, this is such a good strobe cream. So having said that, it's not like all the products from NY Bay are superb, but I personally like this one. Let's move on towards blushes and highlighters. So you can choose from different brands. It's available. It's in high end also, and it's in the lower price. But I would suggest you, if you are like a little compact person and if you are making your makeup kit, it could be for wedding or just casual, then you can have something which has duo. So duo, that what I mean is, this is ELF. I think this is ELF kit, bite size. So it has blush, it also has an highlighter, so you'll get everything in one. So if so you can blush your face well. Actually, this makes the job really easy because you get the duo here, because and you have your blush and highlight. So it's really easy and compact to keep it in your sling bag or any handbag or anywhere what you carry. Moving on, for eyeliner, I have the best recommendation. This is Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner, and this is so pigmented and it gives you that beautiful finish, and you can make it like a thin liner to bold and really jet black. So this is my absolute favorite. For most of my makeup tutorial, I use this. I have got 3 mascaras recommendation for you, and all are below 500. So first one is the Face Shop mascara. When I got this, I was not so happy, but I had been loving this and I had used this so constantly because this provides your lashes a lengthening effect. And look at the wand, and this makes the I feel this makes your lashes feather light and really long lasting. Then you have L'Oreal False Lashes Superstar Mascara, and then I have Maybelline Push Up Drama. So both of these are really good. I think L'Oreal and Maybelline are really good and cut to cut competition when we talk about the mascaras, because they have such an amazing mascara. So if you ask me for mascara, then you can close your eyes and buy Maybelline or L'Oreal any mascara. So this could be best for your vanity. Another liner also, you can give it a shot. I just thought give you one more option, which is ELF pen liner, because some of you, you might not be comfortable with those kind of brushes of eyeliner, so you need a pen. This is felt tip. So this is also really beautiful by ELF, and this is also black in shade, and this is like a pen, sketch pen kind of. So I think this is also not a bad option if you are a sketch pen type of a person. So for eyeliner or eyeshadows, you can see I have these 3 options for you. These are K-Beauty eyeliners, but this I also use this as eyeshadow. If you see, this is in the same how the liner brush is. This is brown, this is blue. However, I also use this as eyeshadow. I totally love K-Beauty brand because these are multi-purpose. I also recommend you to have this kind of a stick, because this you can contour, you can make your eyeshadows. So have these. If you are a beginner, then have something which is like very friendly, user friendly, and also very like handy, so that you can whenever you need, you just use this. So I think these three I recommend you to have as an eyeshadow, being if you are starting makeup, if you are a beginner, because this you can use as eyeliner and you can use as eyeshadow too. And if you want some variation, I have L'Oreal Paris eyeshadow stick for you. So this is brown in shade, coffee brown. So you can invest in something like this, because this is really easy to just put it, and this is smudge free, and you can blend it well, and you can just go on, and you don't have to invest your time all those while in eyeshadow palette. But if you want to have an eyeshadow palette, then I have one more recommendation for you: Makeup Revolution Reloaded palette. So this comes in really good range, different colors. If you want pink, coral, matte, then you want glitter, you want shades like this, then I would recommend you to buy Makeup Revolution palettes, because the pigmentation is so high that you should have you just have Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes. So if you are confused like which to buy, because there are so many brands, you can choose for Lakme, you can choose for ELF also, because in ELF you get these kind of eyeshadow small sizes also, or you can choose for Maybelline, but my personal opinion would be Makeup Revolution, because they are really good in their eyeshadow palettes. You will not regret buying this. But yeah, only thing is that this eyeshadow palette is not under 500. This even if you take, if there are some good discounts you can get, otherwise it is more than that. But I just wanted to give you a suggestion, so I just told you. But I am gonna stick some pictures out here which would fall below the range of 500, and if you don't use makeup so much, then you can spend in those kind of eyeshadow palettes. I want to talk about brows. So for brows I have this Swiss Beauty Kohl, and this is very easy to use. This is brown in shade. Whenever you are choosing for any eyebrows, then choose for brown, because black would make it too black for your brows and this would not suit. So you can choose for Swiss Beauty. How about gel liners and gel kajal? Or somebody who wants to invest in this kind of a range, like it should be in gel, your eyeliner should be in gel texture, then I can suggest you L'Oreal Paris. This is gel Intenja 36H eyeliner. This is diamond black, so this is how it is like a good black shade, so you can invest in this or it also comes in Maybelline brand, so any could be good. And also I have one more gel, kind of gel or liquid eyeshadow, or you can say you can use this as a liner, you can use this as your eyeshadow as well. So this is how it is. So today I have used same thing on my lids, so you can see, you just have to swipe it on your lids and your work is done. This is so easy. Reason why, and this is quite affordable too, this is under 300 and this would be around 500. So I think if you have these, like these, then you are just done. Your life is just sorted, because you don't want anything else. Okay, so coming towards the lips, I have so many options for you guys, so I will just show you one by one. So first you can choose for this Nykaa All Day Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is really long lasting. This I think comes like $3.49 or something, and this is so long lasting, you guys. This stays on your lips for like good 8 to 10 hours. Even if you eat something, this is highly transfer proof. Next I have NYX Soft Matte. So if you're somebody who doesn't like lots of matte effect and drying, then you can choose for NYX Soft Matte, any shade from this range. This is really good, highly raved product, and this is very soft and creamy. From L'Oreal, I think L'Oreal makes really good mascaras and also really good liquid lipsticks. So I have this L'Oreal Paris Eye Image 130 shade, and this is the liquid lipstick. This gives you a good soft effect, soft matte lips, and also it stays for good 5 to 6 hours. I have something from Lakme, and this is a lip crayon which I have added for you. So if you want any lip liner, lip crayon, you can choose for Lakme lip crayon. I have my favorite Insight Cosmetics Matte Lip Ink, and this is also in beautiful brown shade. And if you want to choose something which is like long lasting in brown and very casual, then you can choose for Inside Cosmetics products. And this liquid lipstick is really long lasting and though natural. All lipsticks are under 500 and these are highly good, and you can choose any of these. You can also go for Lakme So Many range, you can go for Maybelline, then you can go for PAC, you can go for Wet n Wild. I think all these brands are really good, and that is below 500. So your kit would be completed if you choose any 2 or 3 of these. To show you my brushes. These are from Amazon, and this also I have the entire set, but I could just found those to show you at this moment. So this is, I think, some 24 set from Amazon, and this was also under 500. The bristles are really soft on your face. It does the job. I've been using this constantly from 3 years, and these are really sturdy and good quality. So you can choose for this if you're looking. Last but not the least, recommendations for lip balms. So my favorite lip balms, I think it's been 5 years I have been using Himalaya lip balm and Neutrogena lip balm. These both are really affordable, and it moisturizes your lips so well. So even if you have very dry and chappy lips, this do the job. And also it's very pocket friendly. I also use the Body Shop lip balms, but I think if you have this, you don't have to go for the higher range, because these are really favorite of mine. So that's it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this vanity kit, and how can you choose any of your vanities, making some ideas. And though it is affordable, even if you are a bride, you are attending wedding, if you are someone who would love to start makeup and you are the beginner, then you can choose, you can take my recommendations, because these are something I've been using from quite long time, and I'm very happy and satisfied. I hope for all of you there could be some learning, there could be some takeaway from my video. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.